Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 top with the Roland Garros styling. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got full service history with Howard's. It comes with a retractable fabric roof, 15-inch alloy wheels, there's keyless entry and also a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this, there's air conditioning, automatic headlights, there's a speed limiter. The car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done 27,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.